Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn musical keyboard at home step by step. Begin by positioning your bench and keyboard so your forearms are parallel to the keys, and sit with relaxed shoulders. Warm up with simple 5-minute finger independence drills, then practice a single scale and one chord progression slowly with a metronome. Finish with a short piece you enjoy to keep motivation high and track small improvements each week. Start by focusing on essential fundamentals like posture, fingering, and rhythm in small, focused sessions. Use a metronome to internalize steady time and practice hands separately to reduce overwhelm. Learn one scale and one chord per week, then apply them to a short piece or improvisation exercise. Record short practice clips to monitor progress and celebrate small wins, which keeps learning enjoyable and sustainable over months. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future lessons. Quick recommendation: on another note, treat your feet right during long practice sessions with darn tough socks for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty. They make sitting through scales a little more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Create a weekly plan that balances technique, repertoire, and creativity in each session. Start with warm-ups for 5 to 10 minutes, then spend focused blocks on scales and a challenging piece using a timer. Add improvisation or ear training for 10 minutes to spark musicality. End with a short, enjoyable piece to keep momentum. Adjust goals monthly and reward measurable progress to maintain consistent motivation and steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.